I have just an absolutely drop dead gorgeous Atkins number 69 handsaw. Man, you can just barely make it out here on this etch. This thing is a top of the line Atkins from the turn of the last century. I mean, look at that gorgeous handle. There's not a thing wrong with this saw, except for the teeth. Darn thing won't cut. Oh my gosh, look at that. Well, we're gonna fix that today, and I'll show you the result here pretty soon. But man alive, this has to be probably the most gorgeous Atkins saw. You may as well have picked it off the hardware rack circa 1896 in Indianapolis, where these fine saws were made. They gave Diston certainly a run for their money. So pleasure to work on this guy today. All right, here we are. We have shaped the teeth, we've hammer set the teeth, we've filed the teeth, we've gotten all the filing flats off the tooth tips. Let's see how she cuts before I stone it. Look at that. I'm advancing about 3/4 of an inch with each stroke, and that's 4/4 sawn white oak. Not bad. And now we're going to stone the teeth. Yes, that's my bloody finger. I just cut myself on this dang saw. But when you stone the teeth, that evens out the set. And, oh boy, that's going to be fun to bandage. Evens out the set. It's just a good final step. It really adds a noticeable difference to the quality of the cut.